Hey guys, what's up? It's been a minute since my last video, but I am back and I'm ready to go. I haven't been living in my apartment, which is where I film all my videos, so I just really haven't posted anything in like 2, maybe 3 months, but I'm back. I got my eyebrows microbladed about 3 weeks ago, so I still have not gone for my 4-week touch-up, but I just filmed the entire thing, so I just wanted to show everyone exactly the process for anyone who's afraid. I was like terrified to get my eyebrows microbladed just because I was like, what if I ruin my face? I ended up getting my eyebrows done. I did it, I went for it. So this is what my eyebrows look like 3 weeks after my appointment. They're like basically completely healed. I guess they'll get like maybe a little bit darker, but not much. When you get your eyebrows microbladed after about like 4 weeks, you go for the second touch-up, which is kind of like what seals the deal. Like anything that didn't like come through all the way, they fix. So my arch, it's just slightly lighter. So when I get my touch-up done, obviously that'll be fixed, but it's super nice to just have like eyebrows when I wake up. My eyebrows were pretty full already, but I just wanted like the best eyebrows for my face shape, and I knew that someone microblading my eyebrows would be able to do that. You'll see later in the video that it's like a super like scientific, measured out process to do your eyebrows. They don't just like start like tattooing. I'm gonna do a FAQ after I get my eyebrows touched up for the 4-week touch-up. I'm gonna do like a frequently asked questions, like some more actual information on microblading itself, but for now I just wanted to show you guys my whole experience and then what they look like right now after 3 weeks. So let's get into the video. I am in the permanent makeup studio about to get my eyebrows microbladed. I'm nervous, I'm excited. I'm mostly nervous. Marked up. They have it down to a science, so you know they're gonna be even for sure. I'm scared.
That noise that you're hearing is the needles clicking together. That's not
it
your
sounds
skin
like my
ripping.
skin's tearing.
Yeah, no.
Does it matter that I'm raising my brows because I can't help it?
No, I'm saying my own.
Ooh, there's water. So you can feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Can I rub my eye?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, they look really good. I'm surprised.
The white is because of the numbing
Yeah,
double
they look
way.
great. Yeah, thanks. Like so good. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that cleared up any like questions you have. Not that I answered really any questions, but I hope it just like put you at ease more. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to come back to my channel for the frequently asked questions video that I'm gonna post. I guess that you can call it part 2, microblading part 2. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.